Okay, he wasn't lying.
Wow, that was good. I do this every day, all day, every day.
Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another old-fashioned Friday. Today I have a very special guest by the name of
Davy Jones. I'm in the house. What's up, Davy
AKA Jones? Sometimes when I come home and I'm really drunk, I just scream, Davy Jones!
Davy Jones!
For no reason.
Yeah.
Davy Jones is a DJ. He does a lot of events, and he also does a lot of DJing at some of the best restaurants in and around Northern Virginia. Today, I wanted to have him on. He's not only a great DJ, but he's a good friend of mine, and we drank a lot of...
Yes, I'm a certified alcoholic. Like, legit. Like, look me up. Certified.
I'll just say it, like, we drink a good amount of bourbon and whiskey. Like, me, you, and Flo, like, we drink, like... So I feel like our palate and our taste buds are pretty eclectic and pretty solid.
Very. I sometimes drink with the pinky up. You know.
Oh, I didn't mention where we're at. Today we are at Eddie V's, which is located in Tysons, Virginia. If you remember, I did 2 different Old Fashioned Fridays previously last season. And I had super high expectations because Tysons Corner, for those that aren't familiar with it, is like a super elegant like place to come shopping. Some of the best restaurants, like everything here is.
The mall's got like Lamborghinis inside of it. I was like, yo, it's great.
Yeah, everything. So it's like top notch. I remember last season, I think the other scores were like a 7-1 and a 6-9, which are like, they're not terrible, but like I thought they were going to be a lot higher considering that we were in Tysons. Today, I feel like it's going to be much different. We were at Eddie V's. It's one of my favorite restaurants in the state of Virginia. I actually brought my mom here for Mother's Day one year. That's how much I love this place. It's like, you know, you want to do something nice, I feel like this is the spot, you know? They gave us this kind of little private room to do the old-fashioned Friday in, which is kind of cool. So here we are. Dave, you know how this works. We rate these on 4 different ratings. It's 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall taste, and 0 through 1 on overall ambiance.
Ready, I'm excited.
Let's get into the appearance. So I'll show this. This is a smoked old-fashioned. They use Basil Hayden Bourbon, a dash of chocolate bitters, and they serve it on a plank that they smoke it on. They already did that. I told them I would carry it over here, whatever. Clear ice, Luxardo cherry, orange peel. What are you thinking on appearance?
Yeah, it looks like immaculate. The ice, it's crystal clear.
Crystal.
I'm looking at myself. I'm like, yo, I look good. Yo, this looks good, but I look good too. It's like, I see my reflection.
Yeah.
Got the Luxardo cherry, you know, nice little orange peel.
Sure. They smoked the old-fashioned, which, again, just seeing that process, I feel like it adds to the overall appearance and excitement of the cocktail. I feel like when other people see that, they're like, oh, what is that? When they see the, like all that. Off appearance, this is almost as good as it gets. I'm a fan of a bigger glass. However, this is a pretty fancy glass, but everything else is on point. Clear ice, Luxardo cherry, smoked, everything. So off appearance, I'm going to go 2.95, which is just 0.5 shy of a 3. What are you thinking?
I'll say 2.7, only because it has a big orange peel. I like a little bit smaller orange peel.
Okay.
Maybe it curls up a little fancy, you know, where Eddie V's.
Okay.
This is a big peel. Like,
okay.
I feel like I can slap somebody with this peel.
Fair enough. And then we do 0 through 3 on first sip, so here we go.
Let's go.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers. Yo.
All right.
Yo, that's smooth.
Listen, I don't know how to explain... Oh, I'm shaking the table. I don't know how to explain how smooth something is verbally. That's unbelievable.
Yo, I could taste a little bit of chocolate. Like there's a chocolate note to it. This is smooth. This is like, I haven't had anything this smooth, I don't think, ever.
This is unbelievably smooth. I felt like I could have just drank the whole thing and there would have been zero burn and it would just went down smooth.
Yeah, the overall taste is it's going to go quick.
It's going to be a quick review. Man, first sip. That smoothness with the clear ice, to me, this is what I'm looking for when we do these old-fashioned Fridays. This is as good as it gets, in my opinion. I'm going to go full 3. What are you thinking?
Yeah, I'm going full 3, too.
Boom. Yeah. I wish we could explain how, like, what that smoothness was like, because that was just, doesn't even make sense.
I'm like warm inside. It's like fuzzy. It's almost like Christmas.
So we'll try to slowly drink these for the overall taste, but in the meantime, we can do the overall ambiance of Eddie V's. Again, I brought my mom here for Mother's Day. It's one of the nicest restaurants in Northern Virginia. Like,
nice appearance.
The food is unbelievable. It's like we shouldn't be dressed this way, but if you come here,
yeah, there is a dress code. I didn't read it. I was like, I was gonna let us in,
but we're doing a little whatever. So super fancy. I'm going full one off of. I would go higher if I could.
Yeah,
off of overall.
I definitely agree. Full
one. All right,
it's a nice place.
Here we go. Second sip. This might only be like 3 sips.
It might be one for me.
Okay. Okay, he wasn't lying.
Wow, that's good. I do this every day, all day, every day. This is good.
That's
seriously, it's smooth.
I will say I've never had an old fashioned where they use Basil Hayden. You love Basil Hayden.
Yeah.
Like I know you and Flo, you guys drink Basil Hayden. Neat.
Cherry.
Boom.
Mm.
So the fact that they're using Basil Hayden, which is a pretty top shelf bourbon, I think is great. And man,
seconds, like this is good.
You can taste a little bit of the smokiness, but not too much, right? Like I almost forgot that they smoked it because you can taste the hint of it.
Yeah, when they were making it, I was very nervous. I'm like, it's gonna be too smoky.
Right.
She was just flaming it up.
Yeah.
I mean, but I
think it's
very
perfect.
subtle. Yeah.
I think it's perfect because if you smoke it too much, it's literally like you're drinking a cigar. Yeah. Not a fan of that. I might order another one just before I leave, just because. Also, I should note we're also incorporating the type of bourbon and the price. Basil Hayden bourbon is what they use, and the price is $19. $19 is a little bit steep in comparison to a lot of the places that we've been to. It's certainly not the most expensive one we've ever had. I think I had one that was like $32 one time.
Hold on. Do I gotta pay for this?
No. You on the show, bro. It's covered. I got you.
Because, it's Friday. Yeah. It's not Friday yet. It's Friday. I get paid. We're good.
No. So $19, Basil Hayden bourbon. And in my opinion, well worth it. Like,
really good.
I would come here, I would get 2 to 3 of these and wouldn't even blink an eye at the $19. Yeah. Overall taste, I'm gonna stick with the same. Clear ice. The ice is still there. And these were sitting. It took us a while to set up the mics, get into the room, so they were sitting for at least like 7-8 minutes. So the ice is still there.
Clear,
I'm gonna go.
Clear. Yeah.
I'm gonna go full 3.
Yeah, same.
I'm
going full 3. That's one of the best old fashions I've ever had.
100%.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be back. So I said 3.31 and 2.95. I'm at a 9.5. You said 2.7, 3.31, so you're at a 9.7.
I'm glad you did the math because I went to public school. So I was like,
listen, bro.
Don't call on me. Don't call on me.
Math's the only thing I was good at. If you want to check out Davy Jones, you can visit his website at davyjones.cloud. He's also on Instagram at davyjonescloud. For all your DJ needs, party, entertainment needs, this guy I highly recommend. He's not only great at what he does when it comes to DJing, but his energy just on a regular basis, because he's a friend of mine, is like always like on a 10. And like so if you want somebody that's like gonna make your party like get like build the energy, this is the guy. I appreciate you coming on, man. Davy Jones.
Virginia is for Grubbers.
That's
right here.
it. Cheers.
Old Fashioned Friday.